Okay, was anyone able to go in the go in Schoology before class?
Yes, ma'am.
No, because it didn't pop up on my screen.
It didn't
Yes,
pop up
ma'am.
on your computer. Well, it's there. I was a little bit late putting it in, but it's there. Your assignment's there, but we'll go over before I end today's lesson. Now who is that? I'm not gonna let them in. I hope I ain't let them in. I think I just done. Who is 122240? Who is that? Isaiah? Good job.
Ow.
And on last week, you had to, actually Friday, you had to take an exam for me, and your exam was on Schoology. Everyone should have learned how to log into Schoology, whether you have your own personal Gmail account or your mother's Gmail account or grandma's Gmail account or somebody's Gmail account. You could have gotten into Schoology. Miss Darby has placed out there the codes for my class and the code for her class, so you can join it. Excuses are not permitted because we're too far deep in the game for the excuses that you're giving, especially when we're on here every day and we're asking, do you have any questions? Do you have any questions? And y'all always say no. And I guess the people that don't have questions say no. And then I said, if you have questions, chat box. If you didn't want anyone to know you're asking a question, and I just answer it, and then I had to say, you said this, I can just answer your question for you. However, I didn't get too many questions in chat boxes, and I said, you need to, for me to stay after Zoom class with you on Zoom to go over some things, I would do that. I still didn't get too many participants on that. So if you did not take your test on Friday, probably close now. And if it's closed now, you pretty much gonna get a 0. Because don't come in Thursday saying, well, Miss Alice, can I make up my work from the last 3 weeks? The answer is no. The answer is really no. I'm moving forward. I cannot go back. I don't have time to go back to correct something that you should have done. I understand there's grace and mercy. I give grace and mercy. But at some time, there's going to be accountability. God gives us grace and mercy every day to get it right. But guess what? He's going to at one time going to say, it's time to be accountable for your actions. And that's when you're going to be accountable. When you take that last sleep, you will be accountable for your actions. So at one point here, we're on earth now. You will be accountable for your actions, and your actions may consider for you to get a 0 if you don't do the work. Anywho, today's new topic. Can anybody guess what our new topic is today? What did we do last week?
Fractions.
What about fractions? What did we do with those fractions?
Changing improper fractions into mixed numbers.
Very good. Do anybody know what we're going to do today, this week?
Our test.
Changing
No, we did a test last week. What we're going to do this week?
changing mixed numbers to improper fractions.
Yay! Yes. Gold star goes to you, Tremont. We are changing mixed numbers into improper fractions, which is easy. If you don't know your timetables, you better have your timetable chart out there with you. Okay. So I am going to share my screen so I can do my whiteboard. If I can see it.
And Ms. Adams, excuse me, but even as you said, I put out the codes, I went back and corrected the mistake I made on the Schoology sheet and resent that. So there really should be no, I can't get on, I don't know this and I don't know that. I corrected that and even said it was my problem and corrected it and resent it.
All right.
So-
No excuses. There,
And I
there
still
is
have a
none.
lot of people in this class right now that hadn't done my test from this morning. So I'm sure you're having the same problem as from your test Friday afternoon.
Oh yeah, I'm done. I'm
Yeah.
done. I'm so
Isaiah,
done. I ain't
Isaiah,
gonna play no
really?
more.
Excuse me, I'm almost finished with my test.
Good job. Thank you. Let's focus on math and I will butt out.
You're good. You got to say something, jump in there and say it. All right, make sure you have your pencil and paper ready. We are changing mixed numbers into improper fractions. This is your title. Oh, such a long title. That's your title. Can someone tell me what is a mixed number?
A mixed number is when the fraction has a whole number in it.
Okay. A whole number, and then you have a fraction. That's a mixed number. What's an improper fraction?
When the numerator is a higher number than the denominator.
Ah, numerator is higher than the denominator. That's an improper fraction. Very good, guys. Very good. Okay. So we need to change a mixed number into a proper fraction. So I might have something that says 1 2/3. Well, Ms. Alice, how do I change that? Can anybody does anyone know how to change that? Does anyone know how to change that? A start, a beginning? No? Let me help you out. You have two operations here. You have to divide, not divide. You have to, wait a minute, somebody's talking to me. I have a feeling I know who it is. Jamarcus, please do not do a chat. We care less. We're in math class. Okay, so we have two operations, mathematical operations. We have to multiply and we have to add. We multiply the denominator into the whole number, and that answer we're going to add the numerator to. So basically we're saying 3 times 1 plus 2. Are y'all looking?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, what's 3
Yes, ma'am.
times 1
3.
plus 2 is
5.
5. And we keep the denominator.
5 plus 2.
We keep the denominator, and that's our improper fraction. Improper fraction is 5/3. Writing it down?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I don't know who that is. They're gonna have to I don't know who that is. Let me message them. Change your name. Enter. Now, Maybe they'll understand. I'm not gonna open up the walls so they can get in here. Any questions?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Shanice?
No, ma'am.
Okay. We're gonna do one more.
No, ma'am.
We're gonna do one more. Very good. The next one we're going to do is, well, we have 4. Hold on, somebody's trying to get in. Got several people trying to get in.
Is that it down now?
Back in. Okay. Body is not muted. Okay, I had to make sure everybody was muted off. Okay, so we have a mixed number of 4 and what? 4/5. What's the first thing am I going to do?
Multiply 5 times 4.
5 times 4. Then what I'm gonna do?
Find your denominator.
4 plus 4.
5 times 4 plus 4.
Thank you. 5 times 4 plus 4. 5 times 4 plus 4. Remember, it goes in this pattern here, that direction. Okay? Goes in that direction. So 5 times 4 is
20.
20. So it says 20 plus 4 is
24.
24.
24. 24 is my what?
Numerator.
Numerator. Very
Numerator.
good. Well, what's my denominator?
5.
5.
5.
Five.
The denominator stays the same. Very good. So the answer is 24 and 24/5. Are there any questions?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Y'all pretty much got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me see, can I get your brain to think? Pay attention to this equation here. That's an equation. And it's also set up in order of operations. So let me see, if I give you this equation, hold on, somebody's chatting. I hope it's nobody's just chit-chatting and not paying attention. Oh, no worries, you're good. You're good. You're good. As long as you don't have questions, you're good. You're good if you did. Tell me what the mixed number is here. 6 times 3 plus 3. Can somebody tell me what the mixed number is?
3 is the whole number, and 3 and 3/6.
3 and 3/6. Very good. Very good. Now, what's my improper fraction?
$21.
21.
That's just one number.
20,
I said
21 is 6.
21.
21 over 6.
over 6.
21
Very good.
over 6.
You can say 21 over 6, or you can say 21/6. Very good. I want y'all brain to kind of get out the habit of seeing things done the same way. Very good, Shanice. Woohoo! So let me give you another one. I like this, just to get your brain going. Let's see. I have 9 times 10 plus 7. What's my mixed number?
Tenths is the whole.
What you say, baby?
Tenths is the whole, and 7 is over 9.
10 is the whole and 7 is over 9. Very good. 10 and 7 ninths. Now, what's my improper fraction?
97 and over 9.
97 over 9. Very good. 97 ninths. Okay. Are there any questions?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Hello, y'all. I'm sorry about that. That was a phone call. I'm going to stop my sharing. Get us back. Get us back. Get us back. So, anybody got a question on what we just did?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Everybody understand how to
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then let me show you where your work is then. Let me share my screen. Show you where your work is. Your work is in Schoology. All right. Oh, what? What's in Google? What's in there?
Parents meeting.
Huh?
Parents meeting.
In Google Drive? Come on. What's in there, honey?
You send me the website for Google Drive for my work.
Is it coming up that you need to get permission?
Yes.
Oh man.
Yes.
Look.
Miss Adams.
Yes. Someone call me. Someone call me. Okay, I'm having a family situation right now. Hold on. Just pay
Yes,
attention
ma'am.
to this page. I'm sorry, guys. Yes, Mr. Rios.
You know when you when Miss Darby send like messages,
Pardon me?
you remember Miss Darby sent a bunch of messages to parents and stuff?
Uh-huh.
She sent one to my mom about me, but it said like it's kind of like a story, and I can't see my email or nothing. Of Schoology.
Do you have a Gmail account, baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you using your Gmail account to get into Schoology?
No.
Oh, that's probably why you can't see it. That might be it.
And what about the password?
Your
Alan, this
Thank
is
you,
Miss
Miss-
Darby.
Thank you, Ms.
If
Darby.
you would follow the step-by-step instructions that have been sent out, I don't know, I sent it out today on Class Tag. It's been sent out weeks before. It's the same way you get into Miss Adams' Schoology. I sent out the new code, but you have to have and use a Gmail account. Then from that point, you set up your username and password. Miss Adams and I do not keep up with your username and passwords.
Okay.
So once you set it up, you have to keep up with it. It's just like Class Tag. Somebody messaged me asking me how to get into Class Tag. We send you an invitation. If you accept the invitation, y'all have to set that up. We don't keep up with what you set up.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
just know if you've accepted it. So try to go back in Class Tag, Alan, and see where I sent the corrected code for mine. And use your Gmail
Yes,
account, and you should have no problem getting into either one of our Schoology accounts.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Alan.
You're welcome.
Okay, so now here we are, January 19th. Let me go back. I went into the mathematics class. Today is Tuesday. Click on Tuesday. Today is the 19th. There's January 19th. Click on January 19th. Today's assignments. Click on today's assignments. It reads, watch the video for a resource of help for today's assignment. That's only if you need some help. You watch the video. If you don't, you're good with it, you're good. Scroll down, complete assignment worksheet below, first half today and last half tomorrow, which is Wednesday. Why are you refusing to connect? I see what you're talking about, Tremont. I see what you're talking about. So let me show you what your worksheet look. Maybe if I put it in Cami. You think if I put it in Cami, you're about to see me edit an assignment here. There it is. File. Right here, I think you can be able to click on it. Let's see. Yeah, you'll be able to click on the bottom one. This one here, no worries about it. Click on the bottom one. So let me take that out. Nobody can't say, well, I can't get in it, Miss Adams.
I see.
You see it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Save my changes. And now you click on it. You should be able to pull it up through your PDF reader. This is it. Woo! Does everyone see the assignment?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the assignment said do the first half today and the second half tomorrow. So we have 21 problems. I like even numbers. So we're going to do this one. We're going to do this one here in class. How about that? What you're going to do, you're going to take your paper and you're going to do number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's what you're doing today. Tomorrow, you're gonna do 11 through 21. Are there any questions? I have a question on the floor.
Ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Jacoby, you should see my screen. Hopefully you can see it. But, all right, you're going to do 2 through 10 today, 11 through 21 tomorrow. We're about to do number 1 together. Number 1's together. What's the answer? 10 times 3 is
30.
4.
34.
The answer is
34 over
34.
10.
34 over 10.
Very
34
good.
over 10.
Do y'all see where I wrote that at?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
34 over 10. Now, if you can open this up on your screen and write on it, beautiful. Submit it that way. If you can't, that's fine too. Any questions?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No.
Okay, dokie. You're doing 2 through 10 this morning. And you're doing 11 through 21 tomorrow.
Bro, why do my junkie phone coming off mute?
Oh, these children, Lord help. Okay, I'll stop sharing. All right. I am in the process of grading, recording, because I don't have to grade anything, the computer grades it for me. I'm in the process of recording test grades in the book. Assignments that was given for a grade are going into the book. Thursday is school day. Tomorrow is still a school day. You will do like you normally do on Wednesday. That's go in, check the Wednesdays folder. On Wednesdays, when we're at home, you're having science and math. I don't know who, but please stop. You're having science and math on Wednesdays, and you already know what your math work is for Wednesday. You don't have to worry about that. Freckle is your science assignment. Go into Freckle for your science assignment. Make sure you are spending time with these assignments too, because some people did like 2 minutes and got an F. And I'm looking like, oh my goodness. 2 minutes you spent on reading an activity and you received an F. And I'm like, well, that explains why you got an F, because you only spent 2 minutes.
Miss Adams,
Yes.
it won't let me log into my
I ain't got nothing to do with my own. I'm not even talking about my own. I'm talking about Freckle.
Oh, that's
I don't put nothing on my own. That's Miss Darby's ballpark.
Isaiah, stop it.
Isaiah, make me make your camera go away.
And Isaiah had better do my work. Miss Adams, he still ain't done nothing of mine.
Isaiah,
But that's okay. But that's okay. That's
you
okay.
can fail her class too, baby. You be
That's
repeating the 5th grade because you didn't do no reading. That's gonna be
That's
messed
okay.
up.
You know, we in January, almost February. It's okay.
Pretty much. It's test time now, y'all. We in testing season. We're trying to get you ready for an ACAP, which God knows you're gonna need some preparation for that one. Like I said, Wednesday, Freckle for science. You already know what you have to do for math. And math is a grade. Math tomorrow is graded. That's 11 through 21 will be taken for a grade in the book. Because Friday, I want to do a test. Somebody saying something to me? No. Okay. Oh, well, let me pull up Freckle. Let me do a screen share, because this baby may not be the only one who needs Freckle. Cause some of these other people sit up in here as if they don't need something and knowing good and well that they do need it. So let me go into, oh Lord, Freckle. There we go. When you go in Freckle, class code. Dashboard. I don't know. And this whole time I'm looking at this class code. Woo, there it is. All right. Z Y. Hope you're writing it down. Z Y U J A Z. Z Y U J A Z. Z Y U J A Z. Do you have it? Thank you, Alfredo. That is it. I should
Yes.
look at your list.
Yes.
You're awesome, Alfredo. You're welcome. All righty. Just know you're going to go into your assignments and that's what you're going to see. And if y'all can see, look at what I look at. This is what I look at. This is what I give in math. And this is how many I have. I have like 54 students. Only 14, 12. Are you one of them? Probably not. I go in science. Here go my science assignments. And the date. 17, 14, 11. Are you one of them? Probably not. Some of y'all are though. I'm not talking to those that know they do their work. I'm talking to these ones that are thinking just because I log on, I'm getting a grade. No, you log on, you ain't getting a grade. You just getting marked present, no participation. You're visible, no participation. 0. That's what it is. 0, no participation. Because you didn't come back with an excuse or a reason why. Like, I'm having difficulty, Miss Adams, Miss Darby. I can't get on, Miss Adams, Miss Darby. Can you give me my code, Miss Adams, Miss Darby? No, you don't do nothing. You sit at home and then the last day, when it's time to do, then you want to holler. I can't get on. I can't get on. I don't know what to do, Miss Adams, Miss Darby. Can you send me my code? No. I want to tell some of y'all no so bad. I really do. I just want to be that auntie that just say no. Keep it real with you. No. Can't do it. Won't do it. Am not going to do it. But it's okay. I love all of y'all. I really do. I just want y'all to do better. I really want the ones that's not doing better, do better. Isaiah, I want you to do better by Miss Darby. Do better. I want everyone to do better. Do better. Even if you're doing better, do better than your better. How about that? Do better than your better. Now, here's that great question. Are there anyone with questions about today's assignment?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, I feel like I'm the pastor at church asking folks to join church. All right, here we go again. Anybody have questions about getting on to Schoology?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. Do anyone have questions about getting on to Freckle?
No, ma'am. No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. No.
If you can't submit the assignment into Schoology, you can take a picture of the question and submit it to my number. Does everyone have my telephone number?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Who does not have my telephone number that they need to submit to a picture of their assignment? Who don't have it? Look at my thing. All right. So when Hold on a second.
Isaiah, put your phone away. Put it completely away, Isaiah. Thank you.
Miss Adams,
Yes.
is it a video about the test that you sent out?
Is it a video?
Yes, ma'am.
Nope. There's no video. Oh, we finna end class. She just coming in. There's no video. It's in Schoology. So while I have you on here, let me see. Can I see is it still available? I may have to back up. For those that do not have my telephone number, I just put it in the chat box. And I'm finna share my screen. I'm turning my volume, my mute off. All right, guys, as you can see, I just logged in as a student. I didn't understand the test. What? Please. All right, so as you can see, I went in and I'm in as a student. So I'm going into what I need to go into as a student, math class on Friday, January 15th. Oh, there's my test right there. I click on my test and I start my attempt. See, I start my attempt. And I just read what it says, 7/2, what as a mixed number. So I'm changing 7/2 into a mixed number. What that's going to be, I don't know. I'm just gonna click some. Please don't think that I'm clicking the right answer because I'm so not. Then I'm gonna hit next. Do the same for that one. What is 15/4? Hit next. 8/3. Hit next. Hit next. Review. Okay, all is done. I'm gonna hit what? Finish. All question has been attempted. Do you want to submit the activity now? You see what comes up when you get on the on here? It's the same thing when I'm doing it as a student. Yes, I want to submit. It says submitting. Guess what? It's submitted. Submitted my work. You have made one attempt and reached the maximum allowed because you're only allowed one time to do it. And then it's going to grade it when it's sent to Miss Adams. So that's how to do the test, people. That is how to do the test. And then I'm gonna log out as the student. I'm gonna log back in as Miss Adams. And it should tell me up here There you go. It's telling me that this student submitted an item. I'm gonna open it up and I'm gonna look at it. I'm gonna scroll down. Oh, wherever he's located. And I'm going to look for him. Is it okay? Oh, he made a 20. Because he only spent 1 minute on the test. Oh, it tells you how many minutes it takes, Miss Adams? Yes. It tells me how many minutes it took you to take the test. That's justifiable. 1 minute and you made a 20? Yeah, that's justifiable. Are there any questions?
Nope.
Everybody good? Everyone's good? Because I'm about to end this pony. All right, very good. I see thumbs up. I hear yes, ma'am. There's no more questions. All hearts composed. Everybody's on one accord. I love to see the thumbs up. That means everybody's understanding. Please know it's documented that you have your thumb up. Yes. So with thumbs being up, everybody understand what your assignment is for today. No, we're not doing Savas Realize. I didn't say nothing about Savas Realize. Do you have a question about Savas Realize? Do you have a question, Octavia, about Savas Realize? You have to unmute yourself to talk, babe. Yes. Yes, Zakiria. You have to mute yourself to talk. Okay, so no, I didn't say nothing about Savas Realize. Nope, not today. Not today and tomorrow. It's Schoology today and tomorrow. All right. Since there's no question, I bid you guys adieu and I will see you later. Log off. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. All right, log yourselves off.
See you later, Miss Adams.
Bye.